Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wondered why most people stay broke, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the key reasons people remain stuck in financial hardship, and more importantly, how you can escape this trap and start building real wealth, the comfort zone trap. One of the biggest reasons most people stay broke is because they're stuck in the comfort zone. The comfort zone feels good. It's familiar, predictable, and safe, but here's the truth. Comfort is the silent killer of success. When you're comfortable, you stop growing. You stop striving for more, and when you stop striving, you stay exactly where you are. Think about it. You wake up, go to your 9 to 5, come home, relax, and repeat. It's a cycle that feels easy, but it's keeping you trapped in mediocrity. To break free, you have to be willing to get uncomfortable. You need to challenge yourself, take risks, and push your limits. Successful people don't let comfort dictate their lives. They continuously put themselves in situations that force growth. If you want financial freedom, you have to get out of your comfort zone, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. The road to wealth is only for those who are willing to embrace discomfort and take bold action. Lack of financial education. The sad reality is that most people stay broke because they lack financial education. Schools teach us how to memorize facts, solve equations, and follow rules, but they don't teach us how to manage money or build wealth. The majority of people never learn the basics of budgeting, investing, or how money works, and that's why they struggle financially. The truth is, financial education isn't something you're born with, it's something you have to seek out. If you want to escape the cycle of being broke, you need to invest in your knowledge. Read books on personal finance, listen to podcasts, take courses, and learn from people who are already where you want to be. When you understand the fundamentals, how to save, how to invest, how to build passive income, money becomes a tool to create opportunities. Without that education, you're just stumbling through life, hoping things will work out. The knowledge is out there. So stop waiting and start learning. Your financial future depends on it. The instant gratification mentality. Another reason most people stay broke is the mentality of instant gratification. We live in a world where everything is available at the click of a button. Fast food, new clothes, the latest tech, it's all there for immediate pleasure. But this craving for quick rewards is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. When you're focused on instant gratification, you're prioritizing short-term pleasures over long-term financial success. You might feel good for a moment after buying that new gadget, but then you're left with debt and no real financial progress. Wealthy individuals understand the value of delayed gratification. They know that sacrificing today's comforts will lead to greater rewards tomorrow. To escape the cycle of being broke, you need to shift your mindset. Instead of splurging on impulsive purchases, put that money into savings, investments, or start a business. The reward will come later, but it will be far more satisfying than any temporary pleasure. Fear of taking risks. Fear of taking risks keeps many people stuck in financial hardship. The truth is, risk is part of the game when it comes to building wealth. People who are afraid of failure or making mistakes never take the necessary steps to get ahead. Instead, they stay in safe, mediocre jobs, living paycheck to paycheck, and never really achieving their financial goals. But let me be clear, playing it safe is actually riskier in the long run. If you never invest in yourself, start that business, or take a leap of faith, you'll stay where you are forever. The successful people you admire took risks. They invested money, time, and effort in areas that made them uncomfortable. And they didn't let fear hold them back. To escape being broke, you need to take calculated risks. Yes, there's always a chance of failure, but without risk, there's no reward. Stop being paralyzed by fear and take action. The risk is worth it, and it's the only way to build lasting wealth. The power of multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is one of the biggest financial mistakes people make. Most stay broke because they put all their eggs in one basket, usually their 9 to 5 job. The problem is, jobs can be unpredictable. Economic downturns, company layoffs, or even personal circumstances can leave you without income. Having multiple sources of income ensures that if one stream dries up, you're not left stranded. This can include side businesses, investments, freelance work, or even passive income like dividends from stocks or rental income. The more income streams you have, the more opportunities you have to build wealth. You don't need to become a millionaire overnight, but you do need to take the first step. Start small, perhaps a side hustle or investing in stocks. As you grow and diversify, you'll create a financial safety net. Stop relying on a single paycheck and start building your financial empire with multiple streams of income. Thanks for watching! Now that you know the key reasons people stay broke, it's time to take action. Remember, the first step towards financial freedom is making a decision. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below with what you'll do to start building wealth today.